The Earth is made up of about 70% of water. Almost all of it is salty seawater. Your body cells are also about 70% water, so you can't go very long without drinking. The water you need to drink needs to be low in dissolved salts, and it must not contain microorganisms. So if you find yourself abandoned on a desert island, you can't drink the seawater because the salt content is too high. The question is, can we turn seawater into drinking water? And the answer to that question is yes, we can use a process called distillation. But obviously, on a deserted island, I don't have the apparatus needed for that process, so in these circumstances, I can use a solar still. How convenient. All you need is something to heat the water, and in this case it's the sun, and something to catch the evaporated water as it condenses, like a plastic bag or sheet. The pure water evaporates from the seawater, leaving any salt or impurities behind. This pure water condenses on the plastic bag or sheet before migrating to the middle of the still, where the stone weighs the plastic sheet down. As a result, the pure or distilled water drips into my drinking container, which luckily washed up before. Oh, no, I've got to go through the whole process again. How long am I going to stay stuck on this island? Well, that's convenient. Distillation involves boiling the seawater so it evaporates, and then cooling the water vapour so it condenses. Large quantities of fresh water can be made from seawater using distillation. However, one disadvantage of the process is that it requires a lot of energy, so can be costly. Distillation produces pure water with no dissolved salts. Simple physical tests involve the heating or cooling of the water, which can be used to check the purity. Only pure water will boil at exactly 100 degrees Celsius and freeze at 0 degrees Celsius.